Look out! The building is coming down too fast!
Someone's trapped inside! We need help! We've got an emergency at the demolition site. Part of the building collapsed, and people are trapped inside.
That sounds serious. Let's get there fast.
Alright team, let's go!
Thank goodness you're here! We've got people trapped inside, but we can't get close enough to pull them out. The structure is too unstable.
Don't worry, we'll handle it. Zippy, start clearing the lighter debris. Jolly, stand by to help anyone we get out. Harvey, give us an aerial view of the situation. Got it, Rikki. There are at least 2 people near the back corner. I'll guide you to them.
On it.
We've got to move fast. The building could collapse further at any moment. Please, help us! We're stuck! Hang tight, we're going to get you out of here. Rikki, I see a third person in the far corner under some debris. You'll need to hurry. There's no much time. On 3, I'm going to lift this beam. Okay, we're ready. 1, 2, 3. Hurry, Rikki. The structure's really unstable now.
You're both going to be alright. I'll take you to the hospital now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I thought I was done for. You're safe now. Let's get you out of here. I don't know what we would have done without you guys. You saved our lives. Just doing what we do best, helping the city.
Next time, make sure the building is safe before starting any demolition. Remember, safety first. Lives matter more than buildings.
And if you ever need us, we're always here.
Hey guys, I just spotted something strange. There are 2 aliens driving a car near the city center.
Aliens again? We need to follow them and find out what they're up to. Let's go, team.
Rikki, they're driving like maniacs. I need backup.
Hang tight, Zippy. We're on our way. Jolly, Harvey will be there any moment.
Yes, about to reach.
Rikki, they're heading towards the main square. If we coordinate, we can trap them there. Roger that. Zippy, keep them busy.
They've got us surrounded.
Not for long. Watch this.
Ah! You're not going anywhere. Surrender now.
You think you won? We're just getting started.
What's happening? They're disappearing. They've got some kind of teleportation technology.
You may have caught us this time, but we'll be back. Enjoy your victory while it lasts.
I can't believe they got away again. We'll get them next time. We've learned a lot about their tactics. We'll be ready. What if they come back with an even bigger plan? We are ready to face everything. That's right. No matter how many times they try, we'll protect our city. Something's not right, team. It's past bedtime, but I see so many lights on. Let's check it out.
Maybe the kids in those houses are having trouble sleeping. Insomnia? That's tough for anyone, especially kids.
First, let me survey the whole neighborhood. Yes, the kids have trouble falling asleep. Let's help them. Hey there, kiddos. Why aren't you all asleep? It's pretty late.
We can't sleep, Rikki. We've been tossing and turning all night. It's like our brains won't turn off. We just keep thinking about everything.
I even tried counting sheep, but it didn't help.
It sounds like you're all struggling with insomnia. But don't worry, we're here to help. Yeah, we can do something fun and relaxing. How about a nighttime story? Or maybe some soothing music.
Good ideas, team. Let's create a peaceful environment that will help these kids drift off to sleep. Okay, team, get all the kids who are awake to the park. This would be memorable. Everyone, lie down and get comfortable. Close your eyes and let's go on a relaxing journey together.
What kind of journey, Rikki?
Imagine you're floating on a cloud, high up in the sky. The air is cool and refreshing, and the stars are twinkling all around you.
The cloud carries you to a beautiful meadow, where the grass is soft and the flowers sway in the gentle breeze.
You hear the sound of a calm river flowing nearby, and the birds are singing a sweet lullaby just for you.
I think I'm starting to feel sleepy. Me too. Thanks, Rikki. Looks like our mission was a success, Rikki. They just needed a little help to relax and unwind. I'm glad we could be here for them.
We're a team, and we'll always be there to help. Remember, insomnia is treatable. You just need to relax. Good night. Team, we've got an emergency. The mayor says the city is facing a severe water crisis. We need to help.
That's terrible. What can we do? I'll scout from above and see if I can find any immediate solutions. Maybe there's a way to collect rainwater. The good thing is that the rainy season is not yet finished. We can do a lot of replan. Let's do it.
Rikki, we're running out of water. Our reservoirs are almost dry. We need a solution fast.
Don't worry, Mayor. We have a plan. We'll set up multiple rainwater harvesting systems around the city to collect and store rainwater. It's a great idea. We can help install the systems and show the citizens how to use them. I'll identify the best locations for the rainwater harvesting systems from the air. There's a large flat rooftop over there. It would be perfect for collecting rainwater. Great spot, Harvey. Let's get to work, team. I'll talk to the citizens and explain how they can use these systems to collect and store water. Almost done here. Got it, Rikki. This tank should hold plenty of water for the nearby buildings. These systems collect rainwater from rooftops and store it in tanks. You can use the water for gardening, cleaning, and other non-drinking purposes. It helps conserve our main water supply. Thank you, Jolly. This will really help us during the dry spells.
Rikki, Zippy, Jolly, Harvey, you've saved our city from this water crisis. Your efforts in setting up these rainwater harvesting systems will make a huge difference. On behalf of all the citizens, thank you.
We're just happy to help. It's important to take care of our city and its resources. Together, we can overcome any challenge. Thank you, Rikki and team. You've given us hope and a way to get through this crisis.
We'll take good care of the systems and make sure they're used properly.
Alright, team, let's head to the city park. It's always good to see the kids having fun. I love seeing them play. It reminds me of my own childhood. That's not right. We need to do something. Those kids look really scared. We have to help them understand that bullying is wrong. Let's handle this in a way that make them understand their mistake. Hey there, what's going on? We were just having some fun. It's no big deal. It doesn't look like fun for everyone. How would you feel if someone treated you like that? We didn't mean to hurt anyone. We were just having fun. Okay, let's have some more fun. Let's play a game. Alright everyone, let's split into teams and have some fun. The goal is to help each other and work as a team. Let's see how well you can cooperate.
Ah! Oh no!
This is actually pretty fun. Yeah, everyone seems happier. Maybe we were being too rough. See, being kind and working together makes everything better. We all have more fun when we're respectful and supportive.
It's important to treat others with love and care.
We're really sorry for being mean. We didn't think about how it made you feel.
It's okay. Let's just have fun together from now on.
Yeah, we promise we won't do it again. Thanks for playing with us today, everyone. Remember, it's always better to be kind and supportive. We all have more fun that way.
We're proud of you for understanding and making things right.
Thank you, Rikki and team. You've taught our kids an important lesson. It's such a lovely day.
Indeed. This is going to be awesome. We're going to ace this experiment. Just a little more of this and we'll see some serious reactions. Are you sure we should be doing this out here? Maybe we should have waited for our professor. Relax, we've got this under control. Oh no, it's a fire.
We need to put it out. Quick, get some water.
This is getting out of control. We need help. There is a fire nearby.
It's in the college garden. We need to hurry.
I'm ready to douse those flames. Flurry, get that fire under control. Zippy, make sure the students stay back. On it, Rikki. Don't worry, you're all safe now. Fire's out, Rikki. The area's secure.
Good job, team. That was a close call. You're all okay, but this could have been much worse.
We didn't mean for this to happen. We just wanted to do our experiment.
We should have waited for our professor. We didn't realize it could be so dangerous. Science is amazing, and experiments are important, but safety always comes first. Next time, make sure you're conducting experiments in a controlled environment and with proper supervision.
And remember, always have the right safety equipment nearby, like fire extinguishers. You're right, Rikki. We'll never do something like this again without being fully prepared.
Thank you, Rikki. You and your team saved us today. We will always be here to help you.
Rikki, I'm detecting an alien signal coming from the outskirts of the city. It's unlike anything I've seen before. We need to check it out. It could be dangerous. Team, let's move. I'll lead the way. What is that thing? It's emitting high levels of energy. We need to be careful. I'll try to tow it out so we can get a better look.
Step away from the artifact, Earthlings. It belongs to us.
Not if it's a threat to our city. We won't let you take it.
You'll pay for that.
Zippy, keep pulling the artifact free. I've got your back.
This isn't over. We'll be back for what's ours.
That was close. What do we do with this thing? We need to secure it somewhere safe. It can't fall into the wrong hands. Agreed. We'll take it to the city's secure facility. They'll know how to handle it.
We need to research on this to know what exactly this is.
Take your time, sir. I'm sure this is something important for the aliens. The aliens would surely return to take this artifact back. We need to stay vigilant. Yes, but today, I am proud we finally took an edge on those aliens. Yes, cheers to the amazing teamwork. Together, we are a great team. This just in. Alien ships have been spotted hovering over the city. Citizens are urged to stay indoors. Supercars, we need your help. Team, it looks like we have another alien situation. Let's move out. Harvey, give us an update. What's the situation? There are multiple alien ships. They're dropping drones that are capturing people. We need to stop them. Rikki, over here! More drones! I'm on it.
Relax, step inside. I will keep you safe.
Thank you, Jolly. We were so scared. Heads up, Rikki. The mothership is deploying larger drones. They're heading your way. We need to take down the mothership. Let's go, Harvey. I'm on the mothership. Harvey, any weak spots? There's an energy core on the underside. If you can disable it, the ship will lose its power. Got it. You Earthlings! This isn't over. It is for now. Get out of our city. Rikki, you did it! You saved us!
We did it together. Everyone's safe, thanks to our teamwork.
We need to stay more vigilant and find an end to this alien menace. We will surely find it soon. Oh no!
What's happening? Why is there a monster truck here? Is everyone okay? We need to stop that truck. Jolly, Helly, we need to stop that monster truck before it causes any more damage.
We're with you, Rikki. Let's do this.
Helly, see if you can get a better vantage point from above. Jolly, be ready to assist.
Rikki, I'll keep an eye on the situation from above.
I'm ready, Rikki. Let's stop this truck.
We can't let this monster truck ruin the festival. We have to stop it.
I'm right behind you, Rikki.
Rikki, the monster truck is heading towards the stage. We need to act fast. I'm on it, Harvey. Jolly, be ready to assist if anyone is in danger. Now, Jolly. We did it! The festival is safe! Now, let's handle him. You deserve that, Biggie. We make a great team, don't we? Yes, we do. It's days like these that make all our hard work worth it, isn't it, Harvey? Absolutely, Rikki. It's nice to see everyone happy and safe.
Oh no!
We can't let those monster trucks get away with this. Let's stop them, Harvey. I'm with you, Rikki. Let's show them what we're made of. They're too fast for us, Harvey. We need to come up with a plan. I have an idea, Rikki. Follow my lead. I'm going to try to slow them down. Get ready to airlift them.
Leave me.
So, Biggies, should I drop you?
No, no.
We did it, Harvey. The city is safe once again.
We make a great team, Rikki. Let's hope those monster trucks think twice before causing trouble again.
Thank you, Rikki and Harvey, for saving our city. You two are heroes. It's all part of the job. We're just glad we could help. We will always be there to protect the city.
Yes, we will.
Hey Flurry, look what I found. An old treasure map. I think it leads to a hidden treasure in the city.
A treasure hunt? Count me in, Rikki. Let's unravel the mystery and see where it takes us.
According to the map, the first clue is near the city park. Let's go, Flurry.
Onward, Rikki. Adventure waits.
Flurry, we need to cross this river. Any ideas?
Let's do it, Rikki.
We made it, Flurry. The treasure must be buried here. Time to dig.
Wow, Rikki, this is the best treasure ever.
The real treasure is the joy we can bring to others. Let's make everyone's day. Remember, friends, treasure isn't always gold and jewels. It's the joy we share with others and the adventures we have together.
And the best treasures are the ones we find in our hearts. Keep spreading joy and kindness.
What an amazing treasure hunt adventure with Rikki and Flurry. If you enjoyed the episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on more exciting quests. Until next time, keep exploring and spreading joy. Bye for now!
Rikki, there's a fire at the warehouse. People are trapped inside. We need to get there fast.
Hang on, Flurry. I'm coming.
Rikki, I can't get out. The fire is too intense.
Don't worry, Flurry. I'll find a way to get you out of there. Hold on, Flurry. I'm almost there. Rikki, I'm trying to get this lady to safety, but the fire is spreading too fast. Flurry, focus on getting yourself out. I'll take care of the lady. Rikki, I don't know if I can make it out in time. You can do it, Flurry. Just a little further. Thank you, Rikki. I couldn't have done it without you. That's what friends are for, Flurry. We make a great team. I won't let this scare me away from helping others in need. And I'll always be here to help you, Flurry. We're a team through thick and thin. You were incredible, Flurry. Thank you, mate. Hey Ziffy, Flurry and I have a feeling today is going to be a busy day. Ready for some towing action? Absolutely, Rikki. I got my tow cables all set. Let's hit the road. Looks like someone needs our help. Ziffy, can you lend the towing hand? On it, Rikki. Time to show off my towing skills. Ziffy, this one's for you. Let's get the construction vehicle out of the mud. No problem, Flurry. I've towed vehicles from trickier spots before. Ziffy, this is a job for your towing expertise. Let's help them out before the parade starts. Ziffy, you were amazing today. Thanks for being our towing hero. Anytime, friends. Teamwork tows the day. What a fantastic day of towing adventures with Rikki, Flurry, and Ziffy. If you enjoyed this towing trio in action, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting rescues. Until next time, stay safe on the roads and remember, teamwork toasts the day. Bye for now.
Last night, an elderly couple was robbed in their home. This marks the fifth incident this month where elderly citizens have been targeted. Police are urging residents to stay vigilant. This has to stop. Whoever is behind these robberies is targeting the elders. We need to put an end to this.
Agreed, Rikki. We should start patrolling the city at night and keep an eye out for any suspicious activity.
I will keep an eye from the sky, Rikki.
Everyone, stay alert. If you see anything suspicious, report it immediately.
Yes, Rikki.
I am keeping a watch on few elderly homes. They could be the next targets.
Rikki, I've found something. There's a van parked near one of the houses. It looks suspicious.
Good job, Ziffy. Keep an eye on it. I'm on my way. Stop right there! You're not getting away with this.
It's Rikki. We need to get out of here.
Not so fast. You're not going anywhere.
We need to get away.
You're surrounded.
Can't get away.
Alright, we give up.
Thank you, Rikki. You and your amazing team have done an amazing job tonight.
Just doing our duty. We couldn't let these criminals continue to terrorize.
Great work, everyone. The city can sleep peacefully tonight. We make a great team. I'm proud of what we accomplished.
Anytime, anywhere, we'll always be here to protect our city.
That's right. As long as we're here, no one will harm our citizens.
Hey Flurry, how about we embark on a healthy adventure today and say no to junk food?
That sounds like a great idea, Rikki. Let's show everyone that eating healthy can be fun and delicious.
Wow, Flurry! Look at all these colorful fruits and veggies. They're packed with vitamins and nutrients.
Absolutely, Rikki. Let's fill our basket with wholesome foods and skip the junk.
Flurry, we're being tempted by all these unhealthy choices, but we know better than to give in, right?
You're right, Rikki. We're strong enough to resist the temptation and choose healthier options.
Let's get creative in the kitchen, Flurry. We'll whip up something tasty and good for us.
I'm all in, Rikki. Let's make a healthy feast.
Hey everyone, we're having a healthy feast today. Who's ready to join us?
Let's show everyone that eating healthy can be fun and delicious.
Remember friends, saying no to junk food is saying yes to health and happiness.
Let's fuel our bodies with the good stuff and keep ourselves strong and energized.
Well, that's all for today folks. Thanks for joining us on this healthy adventure.
Remember, making healthy choices is a superpower we all have. Stay strong and eat well.
Until next time, bye for now. Oh no! One help! The monster truck is destroying everything!
We need Supercar Rikki.
Jolly, we need you to transport the injured to the hospital safely. We'll handle the monster truck.
On my way, Rikki.
What's the plan, Rikki? We need to cover him from all sides. Got it! Ziffy, we need you here.
Yes, coming.
We need to stop this monster truck before anyone else gets hurt.
Rikki, watch out! It's coming right at me.
Ziffy, stay back. I'll handle this. It's over, monster truck. Your rampage ends here. Thank you, friends, for helping me save the city. We are always with you, Rikki.
Thank you, Supercars. Because of you, a huge disaster is saved.
I'm just glad we could help. What's that noise? It sounds like racing cars.
Those racers are putting the citizens in danger. We need to stop them. Let's show them that racing on city streets is not acceptable.
This is Rikki. We have a situation. Racing cars are endangering the citizens. We need to stop them.
I'm right behind you, Rikki. Let's put an end to this dangerous race. I'll block their path and prevent them from racing any further.
Stop the cars. You're endangering everyone.
We won't stop. We're the kings of the road. You'll never catch us.
We can't let them get away, Rikki. Take the lead.
Yes, Flurry. Racing on city streets is reckless and dangerous. You could have hurt someone.
You should be ashamed of yourselves.
We're sorry. We didn't realize how dangerous their actions were. We'll never race in city streets again.
Instead of racing and creating a nuisance, let's work together to make our city a safer place for everyone. It's so hot today.
Yes, looks like the sun is blazing. This heat is harmful. We need help.
Don't worry, citizens. Rikki is here to help.
Now we would all be safe.
Yes, indeed.
Flurry, this is Rikki. The city is in the grip of a severe heat wave. We need your help to reduce the temperature and cool things down.
I'm on my way, Rikki. Let's beat this heat wave together.
Let us first find the hottest spot. Yes. Flurry, I've located a hotspot near the city center. Let's cool it down first.
Okay, Rikki, I'm ready with my water cannons.
Great job, Flurry. The temperature is already dropping.
Teamwork makes the dream work, Rikki.
Wow, what a relief.
Looks like we need some other solution. The clouds can bring the heat down. This seems to work.
Good work, Rikki.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you, Rikki and Flurry, for saving the city from the heat wave.
It was our pleasure, kids. We're always here to help you when you need us. It's summertime. Remember to keep yourself hydrated and stay away from the heat wave.
Oh no! Ricky, Harvey, we have an emergency. A large ice slab has fallen off a trailer and is sliding towards the city. It could cause serious accidents. Arriving. Harvey, let's get to work. Ready when you are, Ricky.
Harvey, we need to slow it down before it hits the city. Can you get ahead and try to divert traffic?
On it, Ricky. I'll guide the traffic away from the ice slab. Okay, Ricky, how do we stop a giant slab of ice?
Harvey, there's a construction site with sandbags up ahead. If we can steer the ice slab towards those bags, it might slow down and stop. Let's change the direction of the slab towards the construction site. Come on, just a little more. Whew, that was close.
Nice work, Ricky. We stopped it just in time.
You guys are saviors!
We love you, our superheroes! Here's to many more adventures, partner.
Always ready, Ricky.